If you ever travel to another country, it may not be possible to drive your own rental car. Unless, of course, if you are a resident of that country or you have an international driver's license. And if you do, you will need cheap temporary car insurance, because it is illegal to drive without insurance. But before signing up with anything, you need to understand the features of this policy. In the first place, most people do not need cheap temporary car insurance, because they usually have a long-term one with their car. But if you are going to another city and expect to stay there for only a couple of weeks or months, it may not be necessary to get a long-term auto insurance. Yet, the opposite is equally true. It would be crazy for you to endanger yourself and the people around you if you do not take one. That is why you need temporary auto insurance in these kinds of situations. There are several reasons for taking on this kind of policy. For one, it is very flexible. Even with a short period of time of your stay in a city or a different country, you are covered. Cheap temporary car insurance also gives you peace of mind. That is priceless if you ask me. Short periods of time, however, may mean differently to another driver, depending on his or her own circumstances. It may be just a few days, a few weeks, or months. No matter the duration, you will need the title of your car, your vehicle registration papers, and don't forget your driver's license. Cheap temporary car insurance can be had for as long as 6 months. In case you are going out of town for that period, you can avail of this. If you want to let your son or daughter drive your car, this can also be applicable. This kind of insurance policy can save you a lot of money from fines and penalties if you are caught driving another car without proper insurance. Plus, on top of that, your record will be there for anyone to see. When you renew your auto insurance policy, the company will see the violation and they can increase your premium. The fines, apparently, does not stop at the first instance of you being caught. It can affect your overall insurance premium for the years to come. That way, you will no longer have access to the lowest auto insurance rates. Do not be too much of a cheapskate when it comes to your safety and peace of mind. Sure, we all want to save money and enjoy life. But there are circumstances that safety comes first. Don't try to sell yourself short, especially if you are in a place where you cannot expect your friends or immediate family to help you out. Cheap temporary car insurance is probably one of the best products that insurance companies came up with. With the increasing mobility of people in the 21st century, this kind of need is bound to come up. If you are a traveler and jet setter, then there is no question about it, you will need this.